Alright, Grim Workshop for October 2023. This is being recorded the day before the 1st because that's a Sunday. Now, if last year's is anything to go by, it's going to be pretty decent. Also, I did the one thing in the oh god, I can't think of it right now. The whatchamacallit. Let's see if I got everything out. The the kit bash, because you know in my aunt's house, because well, it's easier that way. But yeah. Okay, first thing I'm happy about, actually, I'm really happy about this one. This is something I've been thinking about getting, actually, which is weird. Now, I'm going to do this as, okay, put in EDC now, prep, etc. First thing is the Grimm Key Dog Tag. Okay, basically, it says Grimm's Key Dog Tag is a covert lockpick set. These are a tactical lockpick set. I mean, come on. You see that and you're like, oh, yeah. You're like, let's just get working on that. Okay, that gives you a fully functional collection of lockpicks that's the same size as a standard dog tag. A lockpick necklace. Each of these covert lockpicks has a dual-sided pick tension wrench attached to it, giving you multiple sizes of tension wrenches for different lock sizes, as well as multiple picks, all packed into a dog tag size lockpick necklace. EDC, because I have this really is going to be EDC because I have the Escape and Evasion card and the bypass tool, so why not? So I would use. Okay. Next, by the way, that is $9.50 for that, for the lockpick Grimm Key Dog Tag. Next is a specialty hook cord, which is valued at $19.95. Grimm Specialty Hook Cord is a credit card sized pocket fishing kit with a plethora of different hooks. This cord not only comes with dozens of hooks, but also with several micro weights loads to help weigh down your hooks and add some flash and additional movement to them. Actually, this is okay, so this is going in my post-apocalypse kit. Easily. Because the weights aren't lead. By the way, lead, I know lead, it will, if any dust gets on whatever, contaminated. But yeah, I like pretty much prepping kit, whatever. Next valued at $1.85, which thank God these haven't gone up in price, is a tip cord CM6 wooden broiling rack. That could actually be really helpful. Okay, the tip cord contains information, blah blah blah, how to make and use a wooden broiling rack. Each thing is waterproof, blah blah blah. This is going into my post-apocalypse kit also. Why not? Right? So like that. That's $1.85. Next, what last is tip code FI6, Lean to Fire. Basically, it contains a thing to build and start a fire using the Lean to design. That actually seems very easy to do. Also going into a prep. Yeah. So, also, the only disappointment for me is a regular one. I'm a fan of the, yeah. I'm a fan of the, whatchamacallits. By the way, this is what I opened it with, and holy God, as you see, this thing cut like it's nothing. I'm gonna say, I'm impressed with this. I actually like this. Especially because this is something I've been wanting to get. Plus, I got weights that aren't, lead, which is nice. A kid on a dirt bike, which is illegal to come down the road. Guarantee he's going up to the store and on the road with that. Anywho, I'm gonna say I like. Last year's one was great too. So yeah, this has been the unbagging, let's just say because it's not unboxing, of the Grim Workshops subscription for 2023 of October 2023. I like that they put like a so yeah. Anyway, I would actually recommend this. It's actually a novelty knife co thing. Love it. So anyway, I'm gonna find the cord for the automotive heated mug because I want to use it. Anyway, peace.